Hello to everyone and welcome to the Rondo Teach. In today's video, we are making chocolate mousse together. The fun fact about this dessert is that not only is this mousse a super delicious dessert on its own, but it also works perfectly as a filling for mochi. And you know what's the best part? It looks like fancy, but it's super easy to make. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! So let's start by checking out the ingredients. Here we need 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons Nutella, 2 cups of milk. And also pay attention, we are using warm milk here because cocoa powder dissolves much better in warm milk. At first, mix all the dry ingredients together. My mean is cornstarch, cocoa powder, and sugar. Gradually add the milk in stages, stirring as you go. Add the Nutella and mix it in. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan and place it over low heat. Stir gently and continuously until it thickens. Once it's thick, let it cool down a bit. Pour the mixture into your mold, and feel free to use any shape or size you like. Chill it in the fridge for a few hours until it sets. And that's it. Your delicious chocolate mousse is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more sweet ideas. See you soon.